Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to get OBS to capture two screens at once. Let's begin. First, open OBS. From here, go to the Sources tab or section. Click on the plus sign, Display Capture. You can rename this anything you like. I'm going to do Monitor 1. OK. Capture method, Windows 10 or 11. Display, this should be your Monitor 1. Click OK. And from here, do the same. We're going to add our display capture number 2. So monitor number 2. Okay. And select the appropriate monitor. Click OK. From here, I'm going to align them perfectly or position them perfectly on how I want them to appear on my screen. So let me just make some adjustments over here. This one. Okay, and I'm going to delete my original display capture so you can see this better. And there you go. You have now captured two screens at once on your OBS Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.